friend, Uncle. Please speak English with me. Please speak English with me. It's not difficult to speak English. It's not difficult to speak English. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Practice much purpose. Practice much purpose. My mother is wonderful teacher. My mother is wonderful teacher. He speaks perfect English. He speaks perfect English. Remember to call the mother. Remember to call the mother. America and Vietnam should always go together. America and Vietnam should always go together. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. You have a charming smile. You have a charming smile. Always say this and thank you. Always say this and thank you. It's important to practice English every day. It's important to practice English every day. You should go harder. You should go harder. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Thank you very much.